Hey, what's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the new Braun shaver. It's a model 7865CC. Anyway, yeah, so first here's a packaging. I'll just show this up nice and close to the screen. Here's the front of the box. And here's one side. I'll let you get to read it, all that. It says flammable all over it. I guess that's clean material it came with. So it looks like the front and the back of the box are identical, I believe. Yeah, then same applies for the sides as well. Here's a back side. Then the top, it just shows everything what's going to be included with the shaver. By the way, this is probably one of the highest end shavers you can get on the market. I mean, looking at Amazon.ca, it goes for 300 Canadian dollars. I mean, that's a lot of money for a shaver. But anyway, yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun opening it up and seeing what's inside. But 2-year warranty, by the way, so that's a good peace of mind to have. Just cut it open here. As you move the box, you can hear the fluid inside for the liquid cleaning solution. So I'll undo what looks like what the heck? Oh, I see. You gotta kind of this is a flap. This part. Alright, so right off the bat we have the instruction manual. So it's for the Series 7, so I guess it's the same instruction manual for pretty much all the shavers out there. So again, a little guide on how to use the liquid solution it comes with. Pretty interesting. It's a self-cleaning shaver, by the way. I just really want to know though what makes it worth so much money. You can see it has removable batteries right there. Anyway, that's enough of that. I'm not going to read that instruction manual anymore, and probably never again. Here's a little cleaning piece it came with. Pretty neat. It's weird how it was just randomly in the box and not really organized in any form of packaging. Yeah, so in this bag we have the carrying case. I believe the shaver's inside of that case there. Yeah, here's the liquid cleaning solution. I guess this is why it has flammable all over the box. Here's the wall charger. And then in here Then in here we have looks like the self-cleaning station. Dumb on off button there. Here, yeah, so you put your solution in there. The shaver goes in here. That's that. And yeah, that's everything in the box. Now the part, I guess this is the most important part you've all been waiting for. The shaving unit itself. So I keep it in this case here. It has that new foam smell. Yeah, here's a shaver. Here's I guess the back side and the front. Show that up to the screen here. It just has a dead battery right now, unfortunately, so I can't really show you its performance. I'm just gonna charge it up and to show its performance. Alright, so I finally got the unit charged up. Just while I was doing that, I figured out how to open up the trimmer. You just push this, push it forward like that, and there you go. You can see it. If you want, for example, trim my arm, drag it like that. Pretty interesting. But yeah, there's a sound of the device. You can tell it's got a lot of power in that motor. And so yeah, you just do your shaving like that. Very flexible head. I'd say that's about 30-degree tilt on each end, and then yeah, of course you can use a trimmer here to do the other work. Hey guys, so thanks if you made it this far in the video. It was a lot of fun just unpacking this device, getting pretty much the highest quality shaver on the market. Good knock on wood technology by Braun. If anything goes wrong, I have 2 years warranty on it too. So yeah. Anyway, good luck with your shaving purchases. But yeah, this is a Braun 7865CC model. Goodbye now.